Resistor. In this video, we will show you how to solder a resistor onto the PCB. Throughout the build, there will be many varieties of resistors you will be soldering to the circuit board. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct value of resistor that you need to solder. Carefully remove the components from the packaging, making sure you haven't left any in the bag. You can use the coloured markings on the resistors to check that you have the right part. Starting with one component, identify the correct location on the PCB using the manual and the PCB designators to help. With resistors, the orientation is not important. They can be inserted either way around. However, it is generally good practice to try to solder the gold band of the resistor so it is pointing towards the top right of the PCB. Pull the resistor through the board as far as it can go. Holding it in place, turn the board over and put a 45-degree bend in each leg to hold it in position. Be sure that the resistor is flat on the PCB. Next, solder both of the resistor legs to the solder pads on the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help. Once you get the hang of selecting, placing and soldering the resistors, you can consider placing a higher quantity on the board before soldering, rather than doing it one or two at a time. This will speed up the process. Be sure to follow a process that is accurate and that you are comfortable with.